on top and bottom and squeeze it. You can see it's not squeezing because it's a 3D shape and it's curvy and its pressure is equal. To show you it's a real egg, I'm going to do something. See, it's a real egg. Thank you for watching. Look at more videos. Love you.